Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to do a quick one today, and I'm going to put up my glow box, what I've bought from the KG Barnes tool range. It has come very well packaged. As you can see, I've ripped the packaging off that one. So I've taken the packaging off this one, and I'm just about to do this one, and then I'm going to put it together, but I'll probably do it off camera, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Richard's coming to put it together while I film. Right, it's all ready to go. So I shall be using that at some point. I'm just waiting for a new hand to arrive, and I'm going to mainly use it for taking photos in, because the hand that I've ordered has got quite a long arm on it, so it goes up past the wrist. So I knew it wouldn't fit in my other light box, my little cheapy one. So I thought, blow it, get a bigger one. So, but I like it because you've got the holes at the top, so you can record with your phone, which is, I will put a photo on now. I took one through the hole earlier of my hand, and you've got obviously your iPad stand, so you can connect your phone and your iPad together. Works via USB, which is nice and easy, and yeah, it is pretty big. I really like it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will leave the website address pinned in the comments if you want to go over and take a look at them, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.